I know I'm not the only one sneezing my way through the day, especially at home. Ever wonder why? Take a peek at your air filter, and it might just tell you the whole story. Picture this: a filter so clogged it's practically a dust bunny form. Now imagine swapping that out for a fresh one. Just like that, you're not just cleaning the air, you're setting the stage for those breaths of relief. It's like giving your home a little breath of fresh air, literally. That tiny change could be the big hero in your battle against the sneezes. So next time you're wondering why the tissues are running out so fast, maybe it's time to check the filter. Let's keep our homes and our noses happy.